That one for you. Right?
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, this one's for you. Stocking first for y'all.
Lovely.
Mom, is this free stocking the snowman?
Huh?
Is this free stocking the snowman?
That's mine. Breezy's up there, the middle one.
No, yours is that one. The middle. Oh, we're just getting mixed up here. I'm just getting my stocking.
Hi, Mommy. What'd you get? Look at that, so
I
pretty.
have no idea who that's from.
Yeah, for balls. The ball.
I'll open my second, can I?
Merry Christmas, sweetie.
Merry Christmas, Mommy.
What is that?
Gloves. They're gloves with stars on them.
Oh, I
and
thought
they're
you said
glittery.
love. How pretty.
Look.
For the snow? You're ready for snow, huh? Nice. Ah, Bravery. That's Daddy's. Oh,
I like this.
isn't that pretty? Girls are getting busy here.
Yeah, but necklaces and stuff.
Yeah.
What is this?
It looks like a bracelet.
Maybe.
James?
What?
No? You like that?
Looks
You
like a
like that?
bracelet.
Grandma, are you coming up?
Look at this bracelet. It's purple.
Oh my gosh, that's so pretty.
It's purple and silver.
I like it.
I want to see if it fits me.
I like it.
Look, it
Your
fits
coffee's
me.
too full to carry over here, so you're going to have to take a sip of it before you.
Oh, okay. So kind.
Holy, I got jewelry in here.
Merry Christmas, James.
Merry Christmas.
I remember when James used to get excited.
He's excited. He just doesn't show it. Like, he's like me.
Yeah.
These are cool socks.
Like this.
What'd you get?
Mom, look.
A schnauzer. Oh,
What is that,
Mom,
James?
look. Look, Mommy.
oh, these pieces are small.
Nice,
There's
honey.
140 pieces in here.
Holy, we're getting serious here.
Oh, well, dump it, sweetie, right there. Yeah, I guess this might just take a little while.
Look at this. It says love here.
Oh, yeah.
Feel
Baby.
like that.
Holy,
Yeah.
there's a bunch of stuff in here. Maybe
You
a
like that,
million.
Bree?
Another one of these.
Baby.
Must be a hair tie or something.
Picture is your job.
One of these, another one of those. Another one of this.
Mommy. Here. Put it there, sweetie.
What's in that box?
Bunch of pretty things, sweetie.
Oh,
I don't know.
Let me see, Katie.
What is that?
I don't know.
Let me see that.
Oh.
You know what this is?
No.
Your new Go Fish for
Oh, yeah, baby.
2 games, Go Fish and Old Maze. Yeah. Get that. We get
Blah, blah.
cards.
New goldfish cards.
Let me see.
Do we have another block?
Nice.
Look at this golden.
There is one James
Look at
in
this
the
golden,
kitchen.
Mom.
Did you put that on there?
No.
It's a Seahawks charger?
You got
Are you serious with me?
Look at this one. It says BFF.
Oh, how cute.
And then it has this pink heart.
Okay, well, you should grab a gift.
Look at this.
Oh, nice.
I just unplugged one from it's
Hold on,
behind
I
the
feel
coffee
like
maker.
there's something
You'll
in
see
this
it.
too. No, there's not. I want to see.
Oh, my God.